Welcome to So Close to the Universe. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured an extraordinary image of two interacting galaxies, known as ARP-107, located 465 million light-years away in the constellation Leo Minor. These galaxies appear to form a smiling face, with two bright eyes and a wide, semicircular smile. This interaction between a spiral and elliptical galaxy began hundreds of millions of years ago. Webb's instruments reveal intricate details, with bright areas highlighting regions of new star formation. A white bridge of stars and gas connects the two galaxies, pulled together by gravity. In the center of the spiral galaxy, Webb detected a supermassive black hole, marked by bright spikes. Classified as a safer galaxy, it has an active and luminous center. While the collision triggers star formation, it also disperses gas, which may limit future star growth. As this pair continues merging, the smiling face may disappear, but its evolution promises exciting discoveries. Subscribe and join us to explore more cosmic wonders.